Converting decimals into percentages made easy. Hello learners. Welcome to our video on converting decimals into percentages. Converting decimals to percentages is a crucial skill not just in mathematics but in daily life situations as well. Whether it's about understanding sale discounts, interest rates, or statistics, knowing how to convert decimals to percentages can really help you out. So, let's dive in. To convert decimals into percentages, we need to multiply the decimal number by 100. This may sound complex, but it's actually quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. For example, to convert the decimal 0.50 into a percentage, we multiply by 100, which gives us 50%. Here's the formula in simple terms. Decimal value *100 equals percentage value. This means that if you have a decimal, like 0.20, you multiply it by 100 to get your percentage, in this case, 20%. Let's walk through some examples together. Example 1. Convert 0.75 to a percentage. We follow our formula. Decimal value *100 equals percentage value. So, 0.75 times 100 equals 75%. Therefore, 0.75 as a percentage is 75%. Example 2. Convert 0.10 to a percentage. Following our formula, 0.10 times 100 equals 10%. Therefore, 0.10 as a percentage is 10%. Now, it's your turn to practice. Here are some problems for you to try. 1. Convert 0.25 into a percentage. 2. Convert 0.08 into a percentage. 3. Convert 0.90 into a percentage. Don't forget to use our formula. Decimal value *100 equals percentage value. Pause. Let's check your answers. 1. 0.25 times 100 equals 25%. So, 0.25 as a percentage is 25%. 2. 0.08 times 100 equals 8%. So, 0.08 as a percentage is 8%. 3. 0.90 times 100 equals 90%. So, 0.90 as a percentage is 90%. How did you do? Remember, practice is the key to mastering any new skill. Well done on completing this video on converting decimals into percentages. We hope this has been a fun and informative learning experience for you. Keep practicing, and soon, converting decimals into percentages will become second nature to you. Remember, our formula, decimal value *100 equals percentage value is your friend. Until next time, happy learning!